Messenger tricks nobody tells you about in 2026. The first one is the real ghost mode. So many users know that they can actually turn off the standard read receipts globally, but doing so means that you'll also lose the ability to see when other people have read your message. So you can bypass this by using this one trick. So for that, get in your Messenger and in here open the chat that you don't want to be read to. So for example, this particular chat right here, tap on their profile. Then if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of restrict. Here you can see, tap on it just like this, and here you can see they have been restricted. So in order to see all of the messages, what you can do is simply go back, head to your menu, and in here simply tap on settings, then tap on privacy and safety. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of restricted profile. Tap on it, tap on their profile, and you can now simply read all of their messages. So whenever you want to reply or do something, you can tap on unrestrict and unrestrict them again. So this was the first trick. The second trick will be your HD media sharing. So in here, we all know that Messenger actually lowers your quality while sharing photos or videos. So if you simply tap on this photo icon right here and simply select some of the photo you want to share, for example this one, you can now increase their HD quality by simply tapping on the option HD right here and then tap on send, and you will be sending these all photos in HD quality. So that was the second one. For the last one is emoji game. So as we all know, we can normally send the emoji to them just like this, but did you know that you can actually play games with it? So in order to do that, what you can do is simply tap on the emoji on your chat just like this, and in here you can see you can now play this particular game just like this. So yeah, that's it. These were some few hidden settings on your Messenger.